Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Lady Liberty on Dress to Impress, no VIP needed. And for the headpiece, you can obviously use any headpiece that you want to. So I'm just going to remove everything. For the non-VIP, non-Roblox item, you can just use the headpiece here. And select the second toggle and color that the same as literally everything else. For the hair, I just use a simple hair. You can also style it to the hair that you'd like. Same as the face, obviously. And I also added gloves to mine just because I want that like shiny look. So let's just do that first. Then for the fit, I used this in metallic sheen, and then I also used this in metallic as well as that color. Whoops. Like so. You can add more layers to this to make it look, I don't know, more extravagant or something, but I'm just going to stick with this. And then for the shoes, I just put on these heels again in that metallic sheen. Then for that like light she has, we're going to get this and we're going to color it gold. So I'm just going to add this gold in metallic, and then again here. And then this one, I'm just going to color it the same as the rest. Unfortunately, I cannot add on any texture, so that will have to do. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.